Hello. Today we are going to learn 100 basic English words for toddlers. Dad,
Mum, baby,
grandma,
grandpa, boy,
girl, friend,
man,
woman,
brother,
sister, teacher,
doctor,
police,
nurse,
uncle,
neighbor,
cousin,
aunt, head,
hair, eyes,
nose,
mouth, teeth,
tongue, ear, neck, arm, hand,
finger,
thumb,
leg,
knee,
foot,
toe, belly, back, chin, dog,
cat, cow,
pig, sheep, horse, duck,
chicken, bird,
fish,
elephant, lion, tiger,
bear, monkey, giraffe,
zebra,
frog,
turtle,
rabbit,
red, blue,
green, yellow, orange, purple,
pink,
brown,
black,
white, circle, square,
triangle,
rectangle,
oval,
star, heart,
diamond,
hexagon, cube,
milk,
water, juice, apple,
banana,
carrot, cookie, cake, bread, cheese, egg,
meat, rice,
beans,
soup,
pasta, fish, peach,
pear,
grape,
shirt, pants,
dress,
shoes,
socks,
hat,
coat, gloves,
scarf, pajamas, boots, shorts,
sweater,
skirt,
jacket,
t-shirt,
belt,
buttons, zip,